If you're a car owner, here's a myth you might be falling for. The 3000-mile oil change. Let's debunk it together. Modern engines are like super efficient robots. They run cleaner and smoother, meaning your oil stays effective longer. And with synthetic oils, you're looking at intervals of 7,500 to 10,000 miles, or even more. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Your car's owner's manual is basically the Bible of car maintenance. Most manufacturers now suggest oil changes between 5,000 to 10,000 miles depending on how you drive. Sure, if you're always towing heavy loads or cruising in extreme temps, you might need to change more often. But 3,000 miles, that's so last century. Bottom line, the 3000-mile rule is an old marketing trick. Trust your manual, keep an eye on your oil, and you'll save money, time, and help the environment. So next time someone tells you 3,000 miles, just smile and say, not anymore? Cheers to smarter car care!